Mihira, thanks for coming in. I wanted to discuss Mr. Henderson. His blood pressure readings are still concerning, despite the increased dosage last month. Are we seeing a compliance issue?
Dr. Holloway, it's a complex picture with Mr. Henderson. He assures me he's taking the Ramipril daily, but during my last home visit, I noticed several blister packs from different months scattered on his bedside table, some completely untouched. He mentions sometimes forgetting, especially when his routine changes, like when his daughter visits or he has a bad night's sleep. He also expressed a bit of cynicism about medications in general, believing natural remedies are often more effective, which complicates things. And honestly, his memory isn't what it used to be.
So, more than just forgetfulness, a degree of active resistance perhaps? Or simply cognitive decline contributing?
It's a blend. He says the pills make him feel a bit lightheaded in the mornings, which he dislikes. That sensation, combined with his general skepticism and sometimes just genuinely forgetting, creates a perfect storm for non-adherence. We tried a pill box, but he misplaced it. The side effect, I believe, is a significant barrier for him, beyond the forgetfulness and his views on medication. He's also juggling several other medications for his diabetes and cholesterol, which can be overwhelming.
And the family support.
His daughter tries, but she works full-time. She's worried about him, but can't be there every day to supervise.
Mihira, I want to take a moment to gently explain why it's so important for your mother to schedule that appointment with her GP. Right now, she's in a critical window where having a dedicated conversation with her doctor can make all the difference for her health and peace of mind. The recent tests have provided key information, but those results are just pieces of a puzzle. The GP needs to sit down with her to put that puzzle together, explaining what the findings mean specifically for her and outlining a clear and personalized path forward. This is also a perfect opportunity to review all her current medications together, ensuring they are still the best fit for her and working in harmony, which is a cornerstone of safe long-term care. This is where your support becomes invaluable, Mihira. I warmly encourage you, if you are able, to attend this appointment with her. Your presence can be a great comfort. You can help listen, take notes, and ask questions she might not think of in the moment. Your involvement can extend beyond the consultation too. Consider accompanying her to future blood tests or follow-up visits. This shared journey not only ensures she feels supported and less alone, but it also helps you understand the treatment plan firsthand, allowing you to be a true partner in her health. It's about teaming up to provide a circle of care around her, combining medical expertise with loving, practical family support. This thoughtful step can truly empower both of you moving forward.